Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to delete Shein account permanently on an Android device. Well, knowing how to delete your Shein account empowers you to take control of your personal information, reduce unwanted communication, maintain account security, and align with principles of data minimization. It is an important option to consider if you no longer wish to use the platform or if you have concerns about your privacy and security. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Shein application. Okay, so here enter to your profile page and then click the settings icon at the top right corner. Well, and then select manage my account option. Okay, right now tap on delete account option. And before it, here will be there a following requirement that you must be considered. Okay, and then tap on apply to delete account option to continue the deleting process. Okay, and then to continue deleting your account, you can open the message which sent to your email address. Okay, and then here you can click delete data option. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to delete Shein account permanently on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.